India Singh.
Saini.
Sini?
Saini. Pikachu.
Sini.
And Saviku is Pichika, please.
Oh, Pichika?
That one shade.
Company gue. Oke. Ayo pakai apa?
This is my favorite cheese.
I think we come to the office after this.
Resign jadi. Kalau tu mau makan ada. Okay, come. We are in Labasa to formalize the payments made to the staff working for certain companies here in Labasa. In particular, this company, the workers were underpaid. So Ministry for Labour investigated and calculated the outstanding amount which were paid to these employees today. It's not only this company, but there were 4 companies that we investigated, and the total amount was 11,000 something. So it's early Christmas for these employees. They have been paid. In some cases they were underpaid. In some cases overtimes were not paid. So all in all, what we are basically saying to the employers is that they must look after their employees and pay what is due to them. The payments were recovered from the companies by the ministry after the investigation was done. If investigations were not done, then everybody would have been basically sitting on it. And that's why Ministry for Labour is there. And my message to all the employees is that please look after your workers. They must be given their rightful wages and salary because they have commitment as well. I mean, for example, in this case, these workers must have got commitment with bank or other agencies, right? Because these people were not given that rightful amount, they would have missed their regular payments or repayments to those companies wherever they have bought goods. And now giving them, interest will be incurred in their repayment. So what I'm basically trying to say, that workers also have got commitments, and employers must look after their workers. And I would like to urge the workers in this country that if you are facing similar cases, please report to the nearest Labour department so that we can investigate and pay you what you are due. There is a labour law in place, and people must follow the labour law. For example, in 2018-2019, the amount that ministry recovered was 4.3 million. I mean, you can imagine for yourself. 4.3 million we recovered from the companies and paid out to the workers. So that's why we are here on an awareness program. Same time formalize the payments that were made this morning. And as I've said earlier on, that this is a clear-cut message to the employers and the employees. Investigation was done because employers also come up with all sorts of excuses. So once the investigation was done, but I'm happy that these people cooperated with my inspectors during the investigation, and then during the investigation we found out that they were short paid and the arrears were paid. We have been receiving complaints, and I'm not going to disclose the names of the companies. Companies have been in compliance, there's no doubt about it. But there are few who come up with all this underpay and payment of overtime. For example, in Christmas, if shops are open, they will have to pay double pay. All the employees must get double pay, and if they're not going to get, they should go and report to the nearest Labour department. Because we're going to come very hard on this now. I mean, you can imagine for yourself, for 2018-2019, the amount was 4.3 million. And this is extra job for government. Right? Inspectors have to go out, do the investigation, and then pay out.